Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use voucher code in Just Eat app. So first of all, we need to open Just Eat itself, and from the home page, we need to click account in the bottom right corner. Then we need to look at the beginning of the menu, and right here we'll see account credit. You need to click on it, and here is the place where we need to enter the code. So just enter the code right here and click redeem code. So this is incorrect code, just an example, but if you have a voucher code, you need to enter it right here and then click the redeem button. After that, you will see the credit balance right here in the menu. The moment I have got £0, but if you enter the valid credit, you will have free credit balance right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.